Hi, this video is about our keypad, new keypad with the application control, web control as well. And here's my setup. Basically, this is the keypad itself, as we can see. And right now, I already have the connections, and this is the front panel. On the front panel, we have 8 buttons, and this is the lock button. If we long press like 3 seconds, then we can have the buttons are locked. Like we press the button, it's not working. If we just like long press 3 seconds again, it will just unlock the button. Now we can whoop, right? You can send the commands out to control our devices. This is for the relay. Right, okay, here the sound is coming out. And this one can be a programmable knob, which is can be used for the volume control. And on the back side, and they can support like the POE with the LAN port, and also like we can have the 2 COM ports, COM1 and COM2 here, and relay 1, relay 2, and the POE, which is can support the TCP IP or UDP, DC in and DC out. And this panel is a US double gun size, but we also can have the UK single gun size. And right now I'm controlling using the TCP IP to control the matrix switcher and also UDP as well. And then here's the associate 2, also control the same matrix. And since this keypad is connected to the PoE switch here, so I have a PoE touch panel. It's Android based. So we also have an application which is actually can use for this one. It's called the EVC Neo, and it's going to be the same, right? We also can control, and this is the panel inside, and it's those like for the lock and unlock. If we go to the home page, we also can have a lock button here. If we don't press this one, then we can have this one locked, right? And now we press the button, it's no longer working. If we go to the panel here, we also can unlock it, right? Okay, so this one is for the application control, and this is the web GUI, which we can do the programming. And also like the home page, we also have the controls, right? It's controlling the matrix, so it can be no problem. And then we have the panel, which is just like the push buttons we can use directly. Then this is the command. So command, which is for us to have the commands like the volume increase, and then once we click, then we can change the name here. And also we have the option protocol interface, COM1, COM2, relay 1, relay 2, TCP IP, UDP, and LUA, right? We can have the commands directly. Okay, so this one is about the knob, the key, the buttons, and then we have 8 buttons. So for the first one and second one, I'm using the TCP, and second two, I'm using UDP. If we click in, then we can see the protocol is UDP commands, and then the IP address of a matrix and the port number. And over here, we also I'm using the associate 2, and which is using the COM1 and it's the commands. I'm controlling 3 input 3 to all outputs, and the bar rate and stop bit, things like that. And then this is the I'm using the relay. So we have 2 relay. We can choose relay 1, relay 2, and each relay we have like 3 status: open, close, and toggle. Okay, so this is the for the commands. And then setup page, which is for us to change the IP address and set like different password and username for the login and logout. And here we also have the configure, which is for us, we can upload the configure, or we can just save the configure. Like right now, we already have this one saved, so we can just click to keep this one, and later we can have this one is restore back. Okay, so this one is about the device, and such as we can go to the this one, we can have this one cleared, right? Then we can go back to the confirm. Then it's already shows like this way, right? And then we can go to the configure, and we can just like upload the configure directly. We also can just drag there. Okay, can just drag the zip folder from here, goes to the web GUI directly. So drop. Then we can click to upload. Upload configure. And then we can back to the panel and check, and we can see we already have the TCP, this one back, okay. And also we have the upgrade, and then change skin, which is for we can have like different colors, can change screen back, and also we have the languages switching, things like that on the web GUI. Okay, so this one is about the web GUI with the admin login, then we can have those options. If we log in with the user, then we will have like different options. It will choose the only home and also the panel, and then log out. So we don't have the setup page. Okay, so and this one is for the log button. If we log, then those buttons are not working. If we back to the home, right, it's also not unworking. But we can just long press this button again to unlock. Then we can have it back to work. Okay, so this one is about the web GUI setting, and this is the keypad itself. I already showed a little bit, so now I'm just going to have the whole setup matrix switcher switching, see how it works. So now I'm going to use this keypad to control matrix switcher switching. Like right now, I'm just press the input 1, 2, right? So 2 source switching, and this one is for the relay. So we can hear the relay is on off, and this one is the long press to lock button. Then it's not working and the button is locked, right? Okay, long press again. Then we can have it back. Right, this one is for the keypad, physical keypad for the control. And then we also have the touch screen, is the application. So it's the keypad. Basically, it's pretty much similar as the web GUI control, right? Okay. Sender, BP, relay, and then this is the lock button. Right, have it locked or unlock. Then we can do the controls. Okay, so this is the application. It's called the AVC New. Connect. Okay, so this is the whole setup of our keypad controller. Okay, thank you.